Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about ENS targets updates with my customer Seb. What's going on now? Let's dive in. Guys, you will be surprised about two moments. A year ago, I posted the main bull plan for this token and all targets absolutely relevant. So January 4th, 2024, I posted the video, so I highly recommend you go and check this video. All levels absolutely relevant. Today, of course, the Ethereum goes straight forward to the all-time high. And I think the whole ecosystem of Ethereum will follow, right? And maybe the ENS will be one of not so many tokens which will hit together with Ethereum new all-time high, guys. And you'll be surprised because this FEEP, we use initiation accumulation pump model, which is still relevant since listing of November 2021. Highly recommend you go and check how to work with initiation accumulation pump model and take a look. This is a gate AO listing. The lowest point of the listing that time was like $2.68. We used the daily candle close, form the equal highs. Together with the Ethereum new all-time high, we can go and sweep that equal highs and hit the new all-time highs. After that, take a look. We consolidate around the best zone to buy on the daily. On the weekly, we can zoom out and double check how it looks like on the weekly time frame. Invalidation of idea if the token dump on the listing price. So we hold the line pretty good, right? We can cut almost double check the line chart, how we test the level. That's why, guys, this model is not random. Of course, it's not a guarantee, it's not 100% win rate strategy, because in the world you can't, just physically can't find all of these videos about the secret sauce strategy is just for engagement. You can't find the strategy which work 100% all the time correct, because we can't know what can happen in the world, guys. Nobody could predict the COVID dump. Nobody could predict the biggest war between the Ukraine and the Russia 5 years ago, for example. So that's why, guys, after the fact, it's so easy to talk. But this model we use, in reality, because we can use this model just on the next day after listing. So you need just one single daily candle close, and you will beat probably the 80% of other traders. And it's totally for free. So I highly recommend you go and check the free educational video, guys. Take a look how the price respect the levels, because everything what we see on the chart is just simple algorithm. So we accumulated here at the best zone to buy, and take a look where we found rejection. Let's hide here till penny at 27 block. So this block, guys, will be like a zone of fixation swing trades, this one. And imagine, still relevant, like 4 years, still relevant, and we just consolidate in a range. So this was a reaction. We dump it, didn't test the best zone again, right? And together with Ethereum, we can go straight forward. So Ethereum around here, Ethereum now, based on the price. That's why it's more than okay to see some pullback consolidation here and go to the new all-time high. $100 will be like a magnet, for ENS. The problem, only 33 million tokens in circular supply. This kind of big problem, basically, because the FDV almost 3 billion, market cap 1 billion. So it's like 3 times bigger market FDV than market cap. That's why $100 possible. But anyway, we have to be careful. We have to be careful. I guess just need some driver from Ethereum, so all ecosystem will follow. That's why, of course, to buy ENS time was here. Now, up to your own risk. Of course, if you believe in it, right, you can buy at $30 and at 60 just fix 100% and leave the free tokens. So it's also probably the good strategy. But zones of accumulation, once again, retest 29, 22, 94, 18, 15. This block, it's accumulation, and the next one 11, 35, 8, 35. So zones absolutely relevant, guys. Even a year ago, what I posted, even after the 2 years, the FEEP absolutely relevant. We need to draw another FEEP when we'll hit the new all-time high. So let's mark. And if the keywords, guys, is if we hit the new all-time high because not necessary, so we will. I believe just Ethereum will be like a main driver. So guys, be careful with the current situation, but the zone's absolutely relevant. Would be good to be honest to see the pull back down to 22.94. This will be the perfect one. Take a look on ADZ, by the way. Trade on, sell, buyback, force signal to buyback, sell, rejection at the zone. Here's a buyback, now nothing. No new signal to buy, no new signal to sell, nothing, guys. Daily, of course, you can wait the pullback. I guess it will be the best one scenario for ENS. If we'll see something like this one, grab that liquidity pool and test 22.94, maybe even $20 this area and reversal move up. This is a case, guys. Daily time frame, of course, we already formed the warranty here, the warranty on the chart. So basically the time to buy was a little bit earlier, right? But we can trade even intraday, guys. I highly recommend you just in educational purpose. By the way, go and check the main video what I posted a year ago. Also, we can form, guys, the biggest the warranty also. Here, something like this one, we can form, and on ADZ it will looks like this one. And to the top, I don't know, maybe it's going to be just a sweep like $88. It's hard to say about the highest point because everything what is over than $86 is just open space. Market mood, guys, here, apria, capitulation, now it's positive. So positive is also good for accumulation, but it's better, of course, to accumulate when we are in disbelief. So you can just use this set, use market mood indicator, tap the right mouse here, and choose market mood and choose the depression or capitulation zone for alerts. Got it? Take a look. Money power, guys. No money inflow. That's a problem. The main money inflow being here in May 2023 at the best zone to buy. Now nothing. Just in case. Monthly time frame, we bounce from the middle line. I don't think so. We will see something like this one. I don't think so. But of course, would be good to see the test form some like double bottom on the monthly and go straight forward to the $50 just this October, November. Weekly time frame, no money outflow, no money inflow, but we are at the top. So soon, for example, if we'll see some pullback and correction, the whale is going to fix some profits. Daily, I wish to see the new money inflow. That's why I want to see something like this move and correction, form also double bottom on the daily, new money inflow, and go higher. So the targets relevant, guys. Last indicator, take profit. Let me hide this one and this one. Take profit, guys. We rejected a take profit line. One take. So the buy line is 1535. I'm not sure we're gonna drop that low. I'm not sure. A weekly time frame, the buy line also around $15. We already tested the buy line on the weekly in April 25, so I don't see any reason why we have to drop it and test it again. 12-hour time frame, 1646. So this more than real to see in the next days, something like this one. So by end of August, it would be good to go and test the $20 again. So this is a way, guys. I hope you like this video. This is just an update for the main video. That's why it just updates for the previous posted videos. So it's not like major analysis, some deep one. I hope you like this video. So if you would like to trade my customer said what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.